Everything that you have suffered in your life didn't come from another person. It didn't come from not having money. You see, people who have money wish they were back to the simple life again. People who don't have money wish they can go back to the sophisticated life again. Everybody is never happy with what they want. Do you know why? Because everybody projects wrongly on everyone and everything. And that's the core teachings of Buddhism, is emptiness. The emptiness is not of nihilism, nothingness. Emptiness is not nihilism or nothingness. Nihilism is nothingness. Emptiness, or the realization of emptiness, sets you free. Is not because everything is empty. It's because everything exists, but not according to your perspective and your projection and your wish. That object not existing according to your wish, your perspective, your view, makes that object empty of existence. What existence? The existence of your perception, the existence of how you see it. The existence of how you wish it to be. And when you realize that, even a little, you can let go of things. You let go and let go and let go. You know when you let go, you don't let go of your lover. You don't let go of your children. You don't let go of your loved ones. But let go means your 100% wrong projection of everything how it should be.